This is a business statistics or business mathematics. This is the mean. Mean means average. This is the first question. It has three series: individual, discrete, and continuous. This is the individual series question. Calculate the arithmetic mean of the monthly incomes of the families in a certain locality in Delhi. Family ABCDEFGHIJKIJ till incomes are 85, 70, 10, 75, 500, 8, 42, 250, 40, and 36. So let's solve this by individual series with the following form. Hello friends, in this video we are going to see business mathematics or business statistics formulas and problems and solution. Actually first we get the mean, median, mode. Actually it's a basic for business mathematics and business statistics or quantitative techniques. What we see here means in mean means average of the following items, okay, or average of the following frequencies, average of the maximum average of the following items, okay, mean. Then median means center value, and mode means mean, median, and mode means repeated item. First let's see mean. Mean means, as I said, that it's a average of the following item, okay. Mean can be calculated with three different series. First series is a individual series. In individual series, the following formula will be used. Individual means single series. AM, arithmetic mean, this is the formula. X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. X means mean, average, n means number of atom. X means number of items, how many numbers, and x means total value of number of atom. Then another formula, this formula can be said by shortcut formula, or this formula can be used. A means assume, sigma d divided by n. When it comes to the discrete series, discrete means double series. Arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. F means frequency, x means value of mean or value of atoms, n means number of atom. This is the shortcut for discrete series. A plus sigma ft divided by n. Okay, then continuous series. Continuous series is to be said that like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, it's known as continuous series. Arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to fm divided by n. Fm means, m means mid value, f means frequency, n means number of atom. This is a shortcut. A plus ft dash divided by n into c. Okay, c means difference of atom, a means assume, f means frequency, d dash we have to calculate, and n is number of atom. Let's start the problem with the series. This is the question. Let's start the problem. Solution to question number 1. Individual series. Individual. Okay, individual series means single series. Okay, family and income. This is a family and income. Families A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, j till j, and income is given 85, 70, 85, 70, 10, 75, 500, 8, 42, 250, 40 and 36. 250, 40 and 36. Now let's see what is the formula for mean. Formula for mean is x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. X means total of x. This is x. Sigma means total. Sigma x. Let's do the total. 85 plus 70, 80 plus 75 and 500, 575 plus 8 and 42, 50 plus 250 and 90, 290, 326. Overall 1116. Now divide here. 1116 divided by n. N means number of atom. This is the n. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Overall how much? 10. So now divide here with the 10. You will get 111.6 is the average of all. This is a individual series. Now discrete series. Discrete means value and frequency will come.